Hello, I just wanted to share the latest updates with you and including the questions, include the answers for your questions. The first question was you needed to be able to register a new client and also import the responses from the Cognita forms. In these responses and the second response I have mentioned about the integration, and let me show you the clients, the updated overview of the clients. This is the client overview form, and here the company info. You will see the information here, and in the main menu you don't have a, a company button where you can manage manage the list of companies, because I have integrated the list of companies into the clients. So now all the clients and company informations are available in one table without having any relationship, so it makes easier you to manage them in one go without having to programmatically define the relationships between the clients and companies. Now both of them are in the same table, and you will be able to go through the client record and update them directly in the place. Okay, and also about I think you will understand what I'm saying here. I will send this uh, Word document to you for further clarifications. And then let's move on to the second question, the company tab and relationship. Um, I think this is what I have mentioned already. Number 3 was a separate contact table. Now if you see here in the main menu, we have the contacts button that will show you all the existing contacts which are separately maintained. So you can add any of these, you can add more contacts using this form, and you can update existing contact details using this form. So this list is a separate part of clients table where you can make changes and add new clients to the database, and they will not you will not uh, you don't have to individually manage or individually make changes to your existing clients, existing contacts through the clients form, right? But even if you have a separate contact table, you can still manage the list using the contacts tab. Now the member name is a drop down menu, and these values are came from this list. See here the first one and second one. If I go to the contacts tab, I can see both of them here. Means if you want to add new member to the contacts database, uh, you have to go to the contacts tab and then create a new contact, and then you can select that member name using the drop down menu, and then select the relationship uh, that the member have with the company. And also once you selected the relationship and the member name, those records will appear in this area. I think that is what you made here. Number 4 was about the bookkeeping account. Now I have removed the bookkeeping section from the main menu. Instead, here now the bookkeeping will not work as a relationship that is also integrated into the client table. Now the client in the all the fields in the client tab, and all the fields in the company tab, and all the fields in the bookkeeping tab are available in client table. Let me repeat again. All the fields in client tab and company tab and also the bookkeeping tab are merged into one table, and when you create a new client, your program will not have to make a relationship between any table in order to make changes or uh, make new changes in these three tabs, right? That is how the bookkeeping works. And in the notes tab, if I go here, this is dated for 1st of September, and I can still change the date, and now it is the date added is 10th September. You can use the date picker to make changes to the date, and as once you save the record, those changes will be updated. The last question is about the contacts. I think it's already there now. If I go to the contacts tab, contacts button, now I can search through any of these fields using this search box. If I search for part of number, now it shows me the result, and when I click on this more details button, I can still make changes and still make updates to the existing contacts. And there we have all the information required. These are the fields, all the fields that we have in our contacts table. Those are the changes I have made, and if you still have any questions, let me know, and especially try to understand here about the Cognitoform integration, and let me know your comments, and then let's finalize the rest of the project by coming week. Thank you.